Imagine, tonight you sleep in a comfortable bed, and tomorrow you wake up in a dark, cold world with no mercy at all. Your name, your family, your freedom, all of it torn away from you overnight. This is the dark ages of Norway. Here, you have no name. You have no rights. You are now a Viking's thrall, which means nothing more than a talking tool. You'll come to believe that even death is more beautiful than living here. Come, through my eyes, experience the 24 hours of this hell that awaits you. Your eyes open to pain, in fingertips numb with cold. Inside your chest is a weight beyond words. In this dark cattle shed, you sleep worse than the animals themselves. Every breath you take is filled with the stench of straw and cattle urine. You slowly get up. The whip wound on your back from yesterday has now stuck to your clothes. Pulling it away brings tears to your eyes from the pain. Today begins again. Your first duty is to gather firewood to light the master's great house. Lifting the logs, it feels like your muscles are tearing apart. But you know, if you're even a second late, the first bloodshed of the day could be yours. Even though the sun has risen, there's no warmth in it at all. Clearing stones from the farm and digging the soil is now the task at hand. Your palms split open and bleed, but you're not allowed to set the shovel down. Suddenly the master's young sons ride up to you on horseback. They throw mud on you and laugh loudly. Your blood boils with rage. Your mind screams to strike back just once. But you remember what happened to a thrall who did that last week. They tied him to a tree alive and left him for the crows to eat. So you lower your head, clench your teeth, and stare at the ground. Breaking you down mentally, more than physical pain, is their main weapon. After hours of continuous labor, you get food. Calling it food is generous. It's just grain boiled in plain hot water. Some days you get a piece of stale rye bread with it. From the master's main hall, a few meters away, the smell of roasting pork drifts over. As that smell hits you, your empty stomach clenches in pain. Your only goal in this moment is to survive somehow. If you don't finish this watery gruel quickly, the fear in your mind is that another starving thrall will come and snatch it away. Night has fallen. Now you're in the Jarl's main hall. It's warm here. The whole hall glows with torchlight. The master and his warriors drink mead and sing their epic tales. They speak of honor and valor. But you have no honor here. You kneel in the corner, filling their empty cups. One mistake, one drop of beer spilled on the floor, and tonight could be your last night. Their laughter deafens your ears. You keep your eyes fixed on the ground. They have no interest in reading the feelings in a thrall's eyes. To them, you're just another piece of furniture. The feast is over. Leaving the warmth of the hall behind, you return once more to that dark, cold shed. Lying down on the pile of straw, your whole body screams in pain. Through a gap in the roof, you see the stars shining in the sky. You close your eyes. Behind those closed eyes, you see your old life, your freedom, the people you loved. They must still be waiting for you to return. And yet you understand. You can never break these iron chains and go back to that world. Today has passed too. Your last thought is this: I can't bear to live like this anymore. But still, somehow, I'll keep breathing until tomorrow morning.